Okay, we are to use completing the square to describe the graph. And the reason we're using completing the square is because we want to put it in vertex form so that we can see how it's been shifted left and right. Because we can already see that because our x squared is positive, it has not been reflected. And their leading coefficient is 1, so it has not been stretched or shrunk in any way. So what we want to know is how it's been shifted left or right. So what we want to do is we want to write our quadratic as a perfect square. So I'm going to rewrite it in this way. F of x equals x squared minus 4x, and then I have my plus 6 here. So this is the part I want to use to complete the square. In order for that to be a perfect square, what you do is you take your b, which is -4, and then you divide it in half. So that's going to give me a -2, and then you square that. So my c is going to be +4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my 6 now as x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then I have a plus 2 left over. So I still have the same quadratic, but it's just in a different form. So now that I have a perfect square, I can rewrite this as x minus 2 squared plus 2. So now I have my vertex, which is 2, 2, and I can say that the graph has been shifted 2 units to the right and 2 units up, and that it is a graph that opens up. So I know it's not been reflected.